Hey guys, Monday evening here. I know I'm already supposed to post this. I won't go very long today. My internet fried this weekend of all the times. I guess a lightning storm fried it or something. So I'm having to do everything with my hotspot on my phone. Hopefully, I'll get it up to date soon. But there's not a whole lot to talk about tonight, and you don't need to hear my problems. Although it's brutal around this house without internet or TV. Holy cow! How am I supposed to stay quarantined without that? There's only so much solitaire I can play. Ha. What I got for you guys, it's a homework sheet. Um, it's not the characteristics. I should have had it up. Sorry. Hold on. Bear with me. Dang it. I want to do this fast. Character. Here it is. I'm sorry. This is what I'm going to post for you. That's the same one. That's the one I'm going to do. I should have had this up. It's 13 questions. 13 questions. I'll do this so you can see me too. Right. And it's just questions about a graph. Please don't do this with a calculator. I know you can. And I can't check if you are or if you're not. Again, this is kind of the honor system type deal. You should know how to do this without a calculator. Okay. On what interval is that decreasing? Okay. So picture what that is and where is it decreasing? And that should be an interval notation. Okay. So in the parentheses or maybe even a bracket or remember, sometimes that's up for debate and it could be right or wrong. Just depends on it. And what is the range? What is the domain? Okay. What is the range? So just some questions like that. Okay. Where is it increasing? Where is it decreasing? What is the domain? What is the range? What is the domain? A lot of those are domain and range type questions. I'm also going to post as characteristics. This will help you out. This is some notes. Linear, quadratic, and it talks about the domain and the range here. Okay. Domain and range, where it's increasing, where it's decreasing. And that might help you. It may not. I don't know. We say it's monotonic if it's always increasing or decreasing. So here's some definitions up top. Anyway, here's some notes for you that hopefully might help you. You may or may not need them. It's just that one page. Okay. So again, those questions right there, just those 13 questions. Now, guys, that's going to be due on Thursday. Right, tomorrow's Tuesday. That's going to be due on Thursday. The trig quiz or the trig test. I'm going to send that out. That's going to be your attendance for Tuesday. So I need that trig test done by Wednesday morning. I will turn it off after Wednesday morning. Those of you that don't do it by Wednesday will have something else to do. I don't think you want the something else. I'm going to tell you it's a unit circle, and I'm going to tell you it's 3 graphs, and all the 3 graphs, I just want the period. Now, I've put the entire thing on a Google form. I hope that's not confusing to you. If it is, please let me know. Format is not, I'm going to grade it myself. Google's not going to grade it. But if you're talking about 90 degrees and it being pi over 2, just type in pi/2. That's pi over 2. If it's 3 pi, put a 3 and then pi/2. Okay. If it's square root of 3 over 2, 1/2, do SQRT 3 divided by 2, comma 1/2. Just make it easy, guys, and just type it in. Again, I'm just going to be looking for it. I'm going to want the degrees, the radians, and the point. Again, you'll see it on the Google form. And then there's 3 graphs, and I'm going to ask you for the amplitude. That's from the midline to the highest or lowest point. It's that distance from the midline to the high or midline to the low. Midline is normally the x-axis unless it gets shifted up or down. Okay, so it's normally that midline. The period, how long it takes to get through one cycle. So it's normally 2 pi for sine and cosine. It's normally pi for tangent. Now, If it's 2 out there, then it's going to go twice as fast. If it's 1/2, it's going to go twice as slow. So it takes longer to get through it. Okay, again, there's just some questions on there. They're not that difficult. So the amplitude, the period, and then it asks if there's a vertical shift. Is that graph shifted up or down? Vertical is up or down. Okay, we didn't ask for the horizontal left or right. There's kind of a reason why we don't ask for a horizontal shift. So that's the quiz. Again, I need that done by Wednesday morning. I'm going to send a reminder. I'm going to send an email, and I'm going to have it on this right here. This assignment right here, the Piot characteristics functions, is due Thursday morning. Okay. And then, of course, I'll have something else for you Thursday morning for us to do for Thursday's assignment. All right, guys? Man, hope everything's going all right for you. Miss seeing y'all around. Let's see. Stop.